What else? 2 more. Slovakia, there we go. Slovakia, 1 more. 1 more. What do you say? Crimea is not officially a country yet. They already said we already said Slovakia. No, they are pro-Russia. Come on. One more is missing. One more hasn't been read out loud.
Moldova?
No, they already said Moldova 3 times. Not Moldova. Which one have you left out?
Serbia.
Sorry. Hungary. Hungary. So 4 NATO countries are the neighbors. Hungary, Poland, Romania, Slovakia. Okay? Okay. A lot of groups got a lot of candies. Very happy. Now, this is a difficult one. And you can pull out your phone now. Ready? I want you to look things up. I want you to fill out this timeline. You tell me, because those are the critical events contributing to the Russia-Ukraine crisis. I need you to fill out the timeline as quickly as possible, okay? Ready? Should we play? You got it? Got it?你们答案讲那么大声，隔壁都听到。
乌克兰饥荒，饿死了200多万。
Ready? Let's do a shout out, okay? Show your hands before you shout out, okay? Otherwise, we don't know who is who and who is saying what, okay? We're gonna start from. Are we ready? You got some ideas, right? You don't have to know everything. Just do the best you can. Raise your hand before you shout out. What happened in 1949? I say raise your hand before you shout out. 1949. NATO was funded. NATO was created. That's right. Now, this is the thing. Sure. NATO was created in 1949. So what does that mean? Remember earlier, when we look at this particular map, we realize all of this started to be NATO, right? So obviously, this is a buffer zone between Russia and the NATO ally. Back then, Russia still run their gas pipe and oil pipe through Ukraine. Okay? So because they had to run through, they have to borrow the little passage from Ukraine. So what happened? Well, I need to get past this little zone. So when I pass it annually, I need to pay. So at that time, Russia actually paid because they use a lot of the gas pipe and the oil pipe. So ever since Ukraine got independence, Russia actually paid a lot of money to Ukraine. Now, of course, after that Nord Stream #1 started, it stopped. Okay, so they stopped paying. So that's 1949. NATO was created. What happened next?